Hi. Yes, it's me. It's me. It's me. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. I just really want to do this testimony because it's amazing that I'm fitting into this dress today. And excuse the bathroom. Yes, I'm in the washroom. It's amazing that I'm fitting into this dress today. First off, this is size 18 and it's fitting very loose, as you can see. Last year when I bought this dress, yeah, I think I barely got it on and couldn't zip it up. It was so tight and uncomfortable. But God has blessed me to meet the nutritionalist guru, who has definitely been a blessing in my life. It's her and the fitness guru. I haven't done fitness as much, but I have changed the way I eat and what I eat and how I eat. She has helped me out so much. Just learning to eat the right things. And it's been such a blessing because I've lost 30 pounds at this point. Lost plenty of inches, as you can see, because like I said, I wouldn't have been able to fit in this dress right here. Also, I got another testimony because last year, it might have been about May, June, maybe even July. I tested, got my diabetes screening or whatever, and they were trying to say I was diabetic. The doctor gave me 3 months to come back in to get myself checked out. And actually, I said it on my birthday. Yeah, and I was kind of scared. And I went in, and for some reason, the doctors was going just real slow that particular day last year. And I was like, okay, I'm going to have to reschedule. I'm not going to be able to even do this right now, knowing that I hadn't done the work that I needed to do at that point. And like I said, as the new year began, God just... He gave me a different direction to go. I was doing the Herbalife. I was doing all that other stuff. And it was fine and dandy at some point. But still, I did not know how to eat. I did not know how to eat. And then on the internet, you know how you see different things. I was on Facebook. I was like, all these women losing weight. And they had this thing, Black women lose weight. I was looking at that. And then I seen someone say like they were working out and... changing their eating habits through the nutritionalist guru. So I was like, I looked it up, and I ended up talking to her, and she was like, okay. She knew my goals. She knew where I was trying to go. And I want to say it was about the end of January, 1st of February. I really believe it was the end of January. I ended up talking with her. We worked everything out. And I got started with this. And I can say successfully I've lost 30 pounds. I'm no longer diabetic. I took the test and they were like, oh, you're fine. You're fine. I was like, okay. And I'm feeling much better. As you can see, I have on my dress today for Mother's Day. But yes, I am feeling so much better. And I just want to say thank you. All right. Enjoy your Mother's Days, guys. Enjoy your Sunday. It's a beautiful day today, so enjoy.